Hi everyone, today I'm coming to you to do a review on this Stariver electric cordless water kettle. It comes in this box right here with instruction booklet for you to read if you have any questions on how to use it. And this is the beautiful compact electric tea kettle. It has this nice little gooseneck, this power button right here, and it is 1.2 liters, which makes about 5 cups and some, maybe 5.5, and we'll measure for you to let you know exactly. And I have tried many electric tea kettles, and I gotta say by far this is my favorite. So the pros of this one is not too heavy to lift. It does not cool off very quick. I believe it is double insulated, and it has this cute button that lights up when it's on, and it auto shuts off when it's done. And one of the cons is that when it's filled up all the way, you got to be careful how you lift it, because just a little tilt forward and you're gonna have water dripping out like that. But I'm used to it, and so I still find it to be the best one out there right now. Okay, so I have it filled up full, and we're gonna time it to see how long it takes to boil the whole pot, and with the time. So let's start. Press and start. And here's the, I don't know if you can see the red light when it's on. It's a pretty neat feature. And this is as loud as it gets when it's working. So it's coming to an end pretty soon. I already have my cups laid out for you to show you exactly how much 1.2 liters would make. Okay, so we're at 3:44 minutes. It's almost about to shut off. There we go. So I would say 3:49. Okay, be careful with it when it's super hot, and we're gonna try to do it multitasking. Okay, got 1 cup almost filled, and I gotta say it's pretty satisfying the way it pours over. This would be perfect for pour over coffee. But for my family, we don't need much, so this compact 1.2 liters is perfect. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I really like the way it keeps the heat in, and the water comes out super hot, just how I like to have my tea. Okay, so that's 4 cups, and this is the 5th one. Almost there. There we go. So just almost 5 cups. There you have it, guys. If you would like to check it out, I bought it on Amazon, and this navy one almost looks black, costs $28.99. They also have one in stainless steel finish for a little bit cheaper, $24.99. Thanks for watching.